Start na, start na. Okay, please take note of this. I'd like to share this very quick, very short. I So I'd like to share this something very important. I hope you can take note of this. And Sister Lenlen, please adopt those children in front of you. Okay? Please listen to them and inquire them. Okay. There is a quote that they use. There is no other divine interpreter of the Bible except the prophet. Where's Brother Freddy? Brother Freddy, can I get your attention? Are you familiar with that quote? There is no divine interpreter of the Bible except the prophet. You get the picture? Brother Freddy? Okay. Please search for that quote, Brother Menan. Please search for that quote. Even though there's no projector, I want the exact word. Now, let's talk about divine interpreter. There's no ink. So, could you write this here, Brother Eric? Divine interpreter. Look for the good ink there. Now, divine interpreter. So, Brother Menan, look for the word divine interpreter. Now, what is the meaning of that? Sister Lemon, have you adopted the children in front of you? They should write down divine interpreter. Don't waste my reminder, okay? Look at them. Do not appear apathetic. Divine interpreter, Bible. Okay, now, when the prophet said the prophet is the divine interpreter of the Bible. The question is he only referring to himself? No. So that's the question, that's the issue. Who are those who can interpret the Bible? So please look for that divine interpreter, prophet. Keyword, shout it out, Brother Minan.
Divine interpreter, he had the divine interpretation.
Okay, he had the divine interpretation.
Was the prophet a divine interpreter of the word?
Okay, that's the question. Was the prophet a divine interpreter of the word? Okay, that's all. Now, can you look for the word? There's no other divine interpreter. Do you have that quote? There's no other. Okay, Brother Magellan. Please read aloud.
Prophet is the word. We know that the word prophet means a divine interpreter of the word.
Okay. So if you will notice, listen carefully. In most of those quotes, Brother Minan, Brother Eric, Brother Magellan look for no other except look for those keywords. The reason I ask you to look for that is this. When the prophet said, the echo should be low, okay? When the prophet said, the divine interpreter of the Bible is the prophet, he did not say only him, only he. He did not say only he himself is the divine interpreter. He did not say no other divine interpreter. Those are added. Now, why am I saying this? I frequently read that from them, from those who quote from the prophet. There's no other divine interpreter. That's why please look for that keyword. No other divine interpreter. But in most of your quotes, he just said the divine interpreter of the Bible is the prophet. You get the picture? He didn't say you cannot interpret except me. He never said that. I challenge you to look for that if he ever thought that he is the only. None, right? The word no other, right? No other interpreter, none. In short, they are adding to the quote of the prophet. They're adding to what the prophet said. The divine interpreter of the Bible is the prophet. So they added, only Brother Branham is the divine interpreter. That's an addition. They added to his statement. Why am I emphasizing this? The prophet does not forbid other people to interpret the Bible. Because if a person receives a prophet, in the name of a prophet, the person receives a prophet reward. And one of them is the gift of prophecy. And this is being very 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 20. Please read, Brother Budik, then Brother Gerald, then Brother Rob. What does verse 20 say? Please read them aloud. 5, 20, 21, 22. Okay, please read it aloud. Brother Jose, make sure they...
By verse 20, despise not from saying.
Sister Donna, please deliver the microphone to them. Run. Okay, read it again, Brother Budik. Despise not. Okay, just continue reading. Verse 21. Brother Gerald, please read aloud. You speak aloud.
21.
You speak aloud.
21. Revolting. Old passage that
22. Aloud. Rock.
abstain from the appearance of evil.
Okay. Take note. Despise not prophesying. Why would they despise? They despise because they choose who they want to listen to. I am of Paul, I am of Apollos, I am of Silas, I am of Barabbas, I am of Mark. They despise others. If they hear something new that does not come from their group, even though if it's scriptural, they despise. What do they despise? Prophesying. What is prophesying? Talking of the mysteries of God. The Lord will do nothing but reveal His secrets to His servants. Servants. Plural. The prophets. So, when the prophet said, the divine interpreter of the Bible is a prophet, he is stating a general statement. He's not only alluding to himself, he's alluding to everyone who will have the gift. Everyone. And who is that everyone? Every bride of Christ. Every believer. There are those who pioneer the revelation. There are those who got the revelation from others. Does that, let me ask you, being the prophet who the Brother Branham, did Brother Branham study from others?
Amen.
Did Brother Branham learn from others?
Amen.
So not necessarily being a prophet, you don't learn from others. Even if you learn that revelation from others, it is still prophecy. You are still prophesying. You must prophesy again to many nations, tongues, and kings. Again. So it was already prophesied. You repeated the prophecy. Now, it is from there, it is from that platform, you receive progressive revelation from God. Not just what? Yes, you're not just repeating the quote. If you're repeating the quote, that could also be prophesying, but that's not a deeper gift of prophesying. Because if you understand the message and you use your own words, then you are one with the word. You're not one with the person who said that. You are one with the source, Jesus Christ Himself. So, there's no other divine interpreter. There's no pope, right? No pope, no other. Brother Minan, Brother Magellan, Brother Eric, no pope, no other. So there's the only code. The divine interpreter is the prophet. So, it does not mean only him. You should be away from that. Okay, my time is up. God bless you. Please give God a big
Paano to isip?